Hey everyone, welcome to Arivilm. So in this video we are going to learn how to create timeline animation in PowerPoint. We are going to create this presentation design. Before we continue, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started. Open a blank presentation. Okay, select blank layout. Okay, now we are going to create one horizontal line. Go to home menu. Here in drawing group, I am going to create one horizontal line. Hold shift key for straight line. Now I'm going to adjust this line. I'm going to align this in the middle of this slide. I'm going to give a black color with a thickness of 3 points. Okay. Now I'm going to draw one circle. Okay. With outline of black color. And for the circle fill color, I'm going to keep plum accent 40%. Okay, I'm going to keep this here and also here. Right. Now let's create the content. Now I'm going to insert slide title, only title, slide title, the same text color. Alright, now I'm going to duplicate this, press Ctrl D. Now I'm going to send this line to the left. I'm going to make it as a 4, 5, 6. I'm going to keep this here. Okay, select the second slide, go to transition effect, select push transition. So here it is pushing from bottom to top. I want to push it from right to left. So go to effect option, select this option from right. I'm going to remove slide title for the second one. Let's run this. Go to slideshow. You click on from beginning. Okay, so this is first slide. This is second slide. Okay, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.